Hello everyone, this is Momita and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about ultra processed foods. What are ultra processed foods, how to identify them in the market, and as far as possible we should avoid them. And if we have to buy, then we should make the best possible selection. Now, ultra processed foods are those foods which have been heavily processed and that alters most of the nutrients present in it, and they get converted to such a form that our body cannot absorb. So, they are just some calories for us. Apart from that, ultra processed food will have lots of externally added ingredients in it, like it can be sugar, salt, fat, artificial color, artificial flavor, emulsifiers. So we should avoid them. Now, studies have found that people who eat more of ultra processed foods are more subjected to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, vascular disease, even cancer. About 10% increase in overall ultra processed food intake can overall increase the risk of cancer by 12%. So to understand this food, we need to understand other types of food that are also available in the market. Starting from unprocessed foods. Now, unprocessed foods are simply raw fruits, vegetables, meats that we get in the market, in which most of the vitamins, minerals, nutrients, they remain intact. Now, coming to second category, that is minimally processed food. These foods are processed, but all the vitamins and nutrients will remain intact. No artificially added ingredient will be present in it. And this category includes frozen vegetables, frozen fruits, because these vegetables and these fruits, although they are processed, but they will have no other externally added ingredient and they will retain all their nutrients in them. This category also includes milk. They are processed, but they are rich in nutrition. Now coming to third category, that is processed foods. This category or the processed foods, they are different from ultra processed food, and they're also different from minimally processed food because they undergo processing. Even one or two externally added ingredients are also added in them, but they will still contain nutrition that are absorbable, that are in absorbable form for us, and that includes canned food products like canned fish. They are processed, they undergo heat treatment, but all the nutrients are still intact in them. Externally added ingredients can be salt, can be sugar, and that too are natural. So these are processed food. Now, processed food can also include products like preserved olives. They are preserved in salt solution with little lactic acid. So all the ingredients that are added are natural, and although they undergo processing, they retain their nutrients. So when we eat them, we definitely get our nutrition. The last category, that is ultra processed foods. Now, ultra processed foods contain a lot of externally added ingredients, like it can be breakfast cereals like this, it can be chocolate, it can be chips. They are mainly ready to eat, and while we are buying them, we should try to make best possible selection. Now first, while we are buying them, we should go and check the nutritional facts. And when we have a look at the list of ingredients that are externally added, we come to know a lot of things. Now, when I look at this, I get to know that it has preservative in it. But the preservative is vitamin E, and that is natural preservative. It also contains color, added color, that is caramel and annatto extract. that is also natural. So in this way, we have to go through the ingredients and find out that they are natural. It also contains some other external ingredients like sugar, that is also natural. So these kind of products, they are heavily processed, they might not contain any nutrition, but they definitely will add calories. So we have to make sure they do not contain any artificial products that are harmful to us. As far as possible, we have to make best possible choice from the products that are available in the market. So that's all for today's video. Hope you stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.